brownies. Flaky outside, but then the inside on a perfect brownie is gonna be chewy, almost molten. You know, if you think about it, the brownie is the perfect combination of cake and cookie. It's what the cake wants to be and what the cookie can achieve. So today, we're going to be making perfect brownies. All right, we're gonna start off by finely chopping, and I mean finely, 2 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. I chose 70% dark. Put that aside, because we're gonna use that in just a second. Now, try not to make a mess with 1/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and mix in 1½ teaspoons of instant coffee. Then, in a large bowl, we're gonna combine our cocoa coffee mixture with 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of boiling water. I'm gonna try using my little whisk here, but it obviously doesn't work that well, so we're gonna use something a little bigger. After we get everything nice and combined, then we're gonna melt in our fine chocolate from earlier. Melt down 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Make sure it's unsalted. Also, it's okay to use a microwave because that's what I do. Mix in 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. If it curds, honestly, just don't worry. Then go ahead and pour it into our chocolate soup. Alright, here we're gonna crack 2 whole eggs and add in 2 egg yolks. I prefer the hand method, but if you want to use the shell, you do you. Give this a nice mix, then transfer in our uncooked scrambled eggs to our little bowl of heaven. Yeah, here comes the sugar. We're gonna take 2½ cups of sugar and pour that into our chocolate soup mix we got here. Add in a pinch of salt and mix in 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're gonna fold this in, and at first it's gonna look like nothing's happening, but give it a second and here we go. Alright, take a moment here to reassess every decision you've ever made in your past 17 years of existence, and then go ahead and rough chop the same bittersweet chocolate from earlier. This is 6 ounces of it. Then add that into our mixture along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Alright, so this next part is it's kind of interesting. So what we're doing is we're basically making a pan inside of a pan out of tin foil. So we're gonna take 1 layer, lay it out, then take another layer and lay that one out perpendicular to the first. Then spray down our pan with a little bit of non-stick spray, pour in our brownie mixture, get it all in there nice and even, put it into a 350 Fahrenheit oven for 35 minutes, and now you got brownies. Hey everyone, hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Come here, what's wrong? If you did like the video, maybe consider liking, subscribing. Then he'll stop whining, cause he's whining right now cause you're not subscribed. You haven't liked, you haven't commented. Oh, looks like you just did, cause he's fine now. Anyways, hope you have a good rest of your day and stay happy.